Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable countertop burners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cuisinart CB60P1 Cast Iron Double Burner. Cuisinart never fails to impress, and this burner is a fine testament to the reliability and high quality of their products. This model is a dual countertop burner and the smaller one goes up to 500 watts. On the other hand, the larger one has an output of 1300 watts. For controlling both burners you get a dial with graduations. To change the temperature from low to high, just twist the knob to the desired level. Since there are two burners, you can get efficient power usage and even cook up two different dishes separately. With the small burner, you can slow cook at lower temperatures and handle delicate tasks like caramelization, simmer sauces and more. The burner will last you for plenty of years since it is from high-quality brushed stainless steel. As a result, it scores quite high on both corrosion resistance and aesthetics. Moving on at number 4, we have the SUNAVO hot plates for cooking, portable electric double burner. SUNAVO has made its electric countertop burner with premium quality materials that can stand the test of time. It has a body of stainless steel that stands out on your countertop but blends in well with the rest of the kitchen decor. The stainless steel body is also resistant to corrosion and doesn't get affected by oils or stain easily. Furthermore, you can clean it off without a hitch. You get a large 7.5-inch burner ring that supports cookwares of bottom surfaces with similar dimensions. At one end you get a dial control. Therefore, lets you toggle between 5 different levels of temperature settings, and the knob is insulated as well. That means you won't get sudden shocks or injured fingers. The burner has a maximum power output of 1500 watts. This means you can bring around a liter of water to a boil within just 7 minutes. With that kind of efficiency, stir-fry and other quick cooking are done with ease. At number 3, we have the iSiLER Portable Induction Cooktop, Sensor Touch Electric Induction Cooker Cooktop. iSiLER has brought to you an induction burner that works and looks much better than traditional burners. One of the most remarkable features of this is its safety. It doesn't directly heat up your pan or wok. Instead, it uses induction technology to heat up your cooking pots. That means that even if you accidentally touch the induction area of the cooktop, you won't get any hand injuries. It also has an advanced control panel integrated on the cooktop with touch controls. There are simple buttons including the power button, temperature control buttons, timer function buttons and more. You also get a large LED display that shows you all the important information regarding all the functionality. Plus, you get positive and negative buttons that allow you to change the power output and temperature effortlessly. You can go from 100 watts all the way up to 1800 watts. Above all, the surface on this induction cooktop has been from thick durable glass. Therefore, it has a high tolerance and won't fail you even under high temperatures. At number 2, we have the Duxtop Professional Portable Induction Cooktop, Commercial Range Countertop Burner. Duxtop presents to you an induction burner that uses electricity instead of natural gas to heat up your cookware. It is plugged into any 120-volt outlet that is common throughout North America and draws electricity at 15 amps. So, you get the perfect balance of power and efficiency. You get an integrated control panel that allows you to choose between 20 temperature levels or an equal number of power levels. With an energy efficiency rating of 83%, you get tangible savings on your utility bill. Finally, the induction burner, you also get reduced cooking time since it heats up the cookware quickly. And finally at number 1, we have the Techwood Electric Hot Plate, Double Infrared Ceramic Double Cooktop. Techwood offers you a burner with a stunning design that is both functional and a feast for your eyes. The beautiful body is from brushed stainless steel while you get double crystalline glass plates for the burner rings. All of those materials are known for their durability and corrosion resistance. They don't get stained easily, which means you can clean them with ease. For both the burner rings you get dedicated thermostats on either end. This certainly lets you jack up the power till 900 watts on each ring for cooking everything from soup to protein. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.